Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Geek Bullet YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to tell you about some hidden features of Windows 11. So if you have recently installed Windows 11 in your PC or laptop, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you guys, because in this video you will get to know about many features of Windows 11, also many features that you will able to use in your daily day-to-day life. Okay, so let's get started. So the first feature I'm going to talk about is hidden feature Connect tab. So if you guys know, in Windows 8 Microsoft introduced Connect tab, so that which will allow you to cast Android's smartphone screen to PC. So basically you can mirror your Android screen to PC, and you can take a screenshot and you can just mirror the screen or watch YouTube videos, and you can do lot more with this Connect app. But in Windows 11 Microsoft disabled this app, and now it's hidden under Windows 11 settings. So let me show you how you can enable it. Go to settings, then go to apps. After that, go to optional features. Okay, first let me show you. If I search for Connect app will not appear because it is currently disabled by Microsoft. So now just click on view features, search for wireless display. Means you can cast your Android display screen to Windows 11 on PC or laptop, whatever you have. So basically this is the very useful feature, but make sure your Windows PC and your Android device is on the same Wi-Fi connection. Also, if you want to know how you can cast your screen, just go to your Android device settings and search for cast, and from there you have to enable wireless display, and you will be able to find out your computer name. After that, you just have to tap on your computer name and you will be able to simply cast or mirror your Android device screen to PC. Okay, so let's wait for installation to get complete. It will get installed within 1 minute. Okay, so now it got installed. I got install message. Let's search for Connect app. As you can see, it's appear. Click on open. Connect app is working now. I can cast my Android device screen, but I will not show you because there are many videos already available on how you can use this app in your Windows 11 system. So you can watch that. If you want to, if you are not able to cast our Android screen, then you can comment down below. I will try to help you guys. So the next hidden feature I am going to talk about is DirectX graphics tool. So by default, in Windows 11 Microsoft also disabled this tool as well. So to enable this tool, again go back to view features option, then you have to search for graphics tools. Click on install. That's now wait for installation to get completed. So graphics tools will help you to find out information about your graphics card. So if you have installed graphics card, then you can enable this hidden features of Windows 11. If you don't have any graphics card, then you don't have to enable this option. It will not will be useful for you guys. Okay, so let's wait for installation to get complete, then I will tell you how you can launch it. Okay, so it got installed now. Press Windows plus R key, search for DXDIAG. Click on OK. Now wait. As you can see, DirectX diagnostic tool appear. It's a graphics tool by Microsoft. From here you can click on display and you can get many information about your graphics card. You can check that Direct 3D, DirectX draw acceleration is enabled or not. You can check many things from here. It is going to be very useful for you guys. Okay, so the next hidden feature I am going to talk about is Windows 11 voice typing. You guys might already know about Windows 11 typing features, but if you don't know voice typing feature about this, then you can just press Windows plus H key. Once you press this key combination, then it will start working. Let's test this again. Okay, as you can see, it's working fine. So let's move further. You just have to press Windows plus H key, and then voice typing feature is available. The next hidden features of Windows 11 is enable desktop icon. Actually, it's not hidden feature. It's the setting that many people don't know how to enable it. So let me show you how you can do that. So by default, you will only see recycle bin option once you install Windows 11 in your system. If you are doing clean installation, then only recycle bin will appear. If you are upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11, then you will see all your available icons. Okay, go to settings. After that, go to system, then go to personalization, go to themes. From here you will see desktop icon setting option, and from here you can enable desktop icons whichever you want. Okay, so let's move further. As you can see, icon appeared that I enabled. Now is CX to minimize. I think this feature is currently under development. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. But let me show you how you can enable this feature. Go to settings, then go to system, then multitasking. From here you have to enable title bar window shake option. Once you enable this option, you just have to shake front window and all windows behind it will get minimized. Okay, so let's see it works or not. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. I don't know why Microsoft released this feature. Okay, so it worked. All windows got minimized behind it. Next is in our list is change monitor refresh rate. So from Windows 11 settings, you can change your refresh rate. Yes, this feature was available in Windows 11, but now it's available under differentiate settings. So go to display. After that, go to advanced display. From here, you can change your display refresh rate up to 144 Hz or whatever refresh rate your monitor does support. My monitor only does support 75 Hz, so I can only enable 75 Hz refresh rate. Make sure you have installed graphics card driver. Only after that you will able to change refresh rate. You can also set HDR, you enable HDR as well if you want to do that. Okay, so these were the hidden features of Windows 11. I don't want to waste your time by telling some more settings. So now I am going to tell you about an important tool which you can install in your Windows 11, and you can get many more features in your Windows 11, and you can make your Windows 11 more useful by installing this tool. It's called Power Toys. So Microsoft introduced this Power Toys tool for power user. It is designed for power user and it comes with many free system utilities that you can use. Once you install Power Toys, you will get these 11 features, and Power Toys keep updating more features frequently. So you will get more features soon in future. You just have to install Power Toys. You can install Power Toys from GitHub page of Microsoft. You go to this section, and from here you can download installer. I have already installed Power Toys in my Windows 11 PC. So let me show you how it works. Let's open Power Toys. Currently this feature is under the Power Toys is under preview beta version. That's why it is not available officially in Microsoft Windows. So you just have to sideload it, install it from GitHub, and it is trusted site. So you can install it in your system. Okay, after installing Power Toys, click on Awake option. As you can see, I am going to tell you each features one by one how these features work of Power Toys in your Windows 11 system. First is Awake. So once you enable Awake option, you can keep your PC awake without even changing your power settings. So if you don't know how to keep your PC awake after 10 minutes, after 50 minutes, if you don't do anything in your PC, then it will go into sleep mode. But if you want to keep your PC awake, then you can use this option as well. Next in our list is Color Picker. Okay, so Color Picker, what it does, if you are a website developer, then this feature is going to be very helpful for you guys. Once you enable Color Picker, to enable Color Picker, press Windows plus Shift plus C key. Color Picker got enabled. Let's move my mouse icon over this. As you can see, I'm checking out color of Valorant. Let's click on it. Okay, now I got color code. I can use this color code in website that I am developing, and it is gonna be very helpful. If you are a developer, then this feature is gonna be very helpful for you guys. Next is Fancy Zone. So if you work in multiple windows layout, and if you do multitasking, this feature is gonna be very helpful for you guys. You just have to press key combination that is showing for you here. Press Windows plus Shift plus F. I have changed this shortcut. You can change yours as well. As you can see, I can choose between multiple grid layout. Okay, let's move further. Next is File Explorer add-ons. So once you enable this add-on, you will able to get preview of SVG, Markdown, and PDF files. So by default, you will not get able to see preview of PDF file, but once you enable this option, you will able to get preview of PDF file. But you have to reboot your Power Toys once or your Windows once to make it work. Next is image resizer. So with PowerToys you will get image resizer option. You can resize image. Okay, once you enable image resizer, right click on any image, go to show more option, then click on resize pictures. Now you can resize picture accordingly you want. You can also change pixel size if you want to do that. Let me click on resize option. Image got resize. As you can see, it's here. This is the original image. As you can see, this is the resized image. Let's move further. Keyboard manager. So if any key of your keyboard is not working, then you can reconfigure your keyboard keys by using this keyboard manager. Okay, so I think if you don't know about it, then please don't change this setting. It will affect your keyboard typing. Next, mouse utilities. Currently this feature is under development, so it only offers this feature that if you don't know where is your mouse pointer is, then you just have to press control key 2 times, and as you can see it's here. I can find out where is my mouse pointer is, and I can use this option. Next is power rename. So if you want to batch rename multiple files in Windows 11, then you can enable this option. Once you enable this option, you will be able to rename multiple files at once. So let me show you demonstration. Select all files that you want to rename, right click on these files, click on show more option, click on power rename. Now type which word you want to replace. I want to replace screenshot in all files with my YouTube channel name. Click on apply. All file got rename, as you can see, within one click. So this feature might be useful for you guys. PowerToys Run. PowerToys Run is basically a search option of Windows 11, but in a many advanced manner. Okay, in a advanced manner. Okay, so PowerToys Run is a quick launcher. You just have to press Alt plus space key, and you can search for anything. You can search for files also in this if you want to do that. Next is shortcut guide. So if you don't know which shortcut works in Windows 11, then this shortcut guide is gonna be very helpful for you guys. First press Windows plus Shift plus forward slash, and as you can see these are the shortcuts that you can use with Windows key. Okay, let me show you one. If I press Windows plus I key, then as you can see settings app will get open. So let's press Windows plus I key, setting app got open. That's how you can use shortcut. Last and final feature of this PowerToys is video conference mute. So video conference mute is help you to mute camera and microphone by using keyboard shortcuts. I have already created a video about it. You can watch it in my YouTube channel. Just check out my previous videos about it, and you will be able to find out how you can use video conference mute in your Windows 11 system. Okay, so guys, these were the features of Windows 11 hidden feature. Some features are hidden like connect tab and voice typing, and some features are I have mentioned in this video so that it can make your Windows 11 experience much better, so that you will able to do more things in your Windows 11 PC. I don't want to waste your time by telling some basic settings like other YouTubers does, so that's why I will mention about PowerToys, and I will provide link in description, so you will able to download PowerToys and use accordingly which feature you want to use. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, currently I'm at very low subscribers, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to create more videos like this. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it. Video about Windows 11 hidden features. So thank you guys for watching this video.